Hi, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯜꯇꯤꯂꯥꯏꯐꯄꯨ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯑꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤ꯫ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯜꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟꯁ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ꯫ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ? ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯃꯜꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯩ꯫ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯣꯏꯁꯇꯤ ꯂꯤꯌꯥꯔꯗ ꯃꯦꯒꯥꯕꯦꯔꯤ ꯖꯨꯁ꯫
Vitamins from fruits are essential for us, but sometimes we didn't get to eat all fruits daily. But don't worry, Layered Megaberry Juice has all the benefits. With a delicious blend of dragon fruit, grape seeds, strawberries, raspberries, cranberries, acai berries, goji berries, and blueberries. This diverse mix delivers a powerful punch of antioxidants to fight free radicals and also help in lowering blood pressure and cholesterol while reducing oxidative stress. Get your glow of health with Layered Megaberry Juice.